The corrosion here is extensive. The bearings are completely seized.
Yeah, I'm getting no movement at all. This wing is totally locked up.
The Grumman F-14A Tomcat, a variable sweep wing fighter jet from the Cold War era.
The Grumman F-14A Tomcat, a variable sweep wing fighter jet from the Cold War era, measuring 19.1 meters in length.
The legendary F-14 Tomcat, once the pride of naval aviation, now awaits its final journey at Davis-Monthan.
All right, clear this section right here by the landing gear. We need this path open by noon. Keep moving that sediment.
I've got the gauge secured. How's the connection holding up?
Signal is strong. The fatigue data coming through now confirms the initial assessment.
Grumman F-14A Tomcat, variable sweep wing fighter jet.
Front chains are secure. Wing straps checked and locked. Ready to move. Okay, check the alignment on level 3. Looks good from here, boss.
Here in the Grumman restoration hangar, the structural frames are fully exposed, revealing the true extent of the corrosion on these longerons and stringers.
Check the alignment at frame 72. We're showing a variance of 0.5.
Recording that now. The corrosion is worse than expected.
Look at the state of this spar right here. The pitting is severe.
Yeah, we're definitely looking at a full replacement on this section.
Okay, pull it clear. Watch the wiring harness on the left side.
Surface roughness is reading at 120 microns here.
Okay, logged. Check the trailing edge near the joint next.
Detail brushes are required to treat these hard-to-reach areas, scrubbing corrosion directly from the fastener heads and seams.
Check the sweep mechanism lubrication. We need to sign off on this section before the structural work begins.
Looks clean, ready for sign off. The starboard deviation is still showing 3 millimeters.
Adjust the forward jack pressure by 5%. Hold it steady right there.
Okay, I got it. Start the gun. That's the last one for this row. Looks solid. Good.
We can start prepping the forward section next.
Almost there. Watch the hydraulic line. Steady, steady. All right, lock it down. Alignment on the starboard side is holding steady.
Readings match the schematic. Fuselage straightness verified.
Need to bring this seam down another few thou.
Okay, I'm on it.
We are holding steady at maximum load.
Affirmative. The repairs are holding. Log the results.
Check the schematic for Charlie 9. Okay, this brace goes here, hold steady.
are the readings on this section?
Looks good. Eddy current confirms structural integrity here.
Coming down 5 more feet. Steady, steady. Looks aligned on this side. Set her down easy.
Almost, but this harness seems slightly off the schematic path here.
All right, let's reroute it through the lower conduit. Mind the clamps.
Torque sequence complete on the actuator.
Cross-referencing the diagram now. Looks good. We need to adjust the tension on this cable right here.
Got it. Let me get the torque wrench set. Okay, that looks aligned now.
Perfect.
The crimp on the J2 connector is secure.
Confirmed on the tablet. Looks good. Proceed with the next bundle.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the starboard side. Looks good, we're seated on the mounts.
All right, pin in the harness. Check the torque on that forward bolt. Reads good, the alignment looks spot on. Torque on the linkage is good. How's the P401 harness?
Secure and safety wired, boss. Ready for power check.
Hydraulic pressure steady. Cycling the rudders now.
Roger that. Indicators are green across the board.
Here in Bethpage, the bare aluminum of this F-14A is uniformly coated with the distinctive yellowish-green zinc chromate primer.
Reading is consistent, right at the target.
Excellent, confirms the uniformity. Note that as complete. Torqued and secured. Confirmed visually, good to go.
Here in the Bethpage restoration hangar, the iconic F-14A Tomcat receives its protective coat.
We have positive lock on the main actuators. Green light across the board.
Roger that. Initiating sweep sequence now. Looking good.
Radar altimeter.
Check.
Navigation alignment.
Aligned and ready.